It can benefit humans, that's you and I, and also our furry friends and plants as well. And here we have a model showing just how it is used. You hold the end of the ray gun onto the skin where you wish to have treated, and then you pull the trigger. For you and I, ray gun can help with acne, age spots, psoriasis, vitiligo, eczema, persistent itching, basal cell skin cancers. Now we're talking about cancers which are quite serious: squamous cell skin cancers, melanomas, and other forms of skin cancers. Now we can back this up because we've done lab tests, and I'll be showing this in a short while. It can also cause other common skin problems caused by fungi, bacteria, or viruses.